Imagine your LearnPress courses are going well, students are enthusiastic, and actively participating each week. However, you've received an email saying that the course passing condition is too high, and they need you to lower the grade they need to pass. The problem is that you have a lot of courses, and you have to edit them all. This is a task that seems quite boring and tedious if you do it manually on WordPress, since you'll have to open and edit them one by one. Fortunately, in this video, we'll show you how to edit the passing condition of hundreds of courses quickly using the WP Sheet Editor plugin. This plugin creates an intuitive spreadsheet inside WordPress where you can view, edit, do advanced searches, import and export posts, pages or custom post types quickly from Excel or Google Sheets, but the best is that you can apply all of these to LearnPress courses. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. You'll also find the link to visit our written guide. After we have installed and activated the WP Sheet Editor plugin, we'll need to set up the LearnPress courses spreadsheet. To do this, go to the Setup Spreadsheet option. Select the courses spreadsheet. Then Save to go on. In this section, you'll select the columns to display in the spreadsheet. Once you are done, scroll down and save to generate the spreadsheet. Now you'll see the spreadsheet containing all your LearnPress courses. Each row is a course and each column is a field. LearnPress allows you to add a passing condition to your courses, which means you can select which grade the students need to get in order to pass the course. And we can manually edit this condition directly in the spreadsheet, as you would if you were working in Excel or Google Sheets. To do this, we go to the passing condition column and enter the new condition. Once you're done, don't forget to save the changes. This is the most convenient way if you need to enter different passing conditions. WP Sheet Editor also allows you to use the passing condition as a search parameter to find your courses using the search tool. For example, we'll search for all the LearnPress courses whose passing condition is 80 points. Once the search tool is open, enable the advanced filters. Now select the LP passing condition field. We'll use the equal operator. Then enter the number 80 as the value to search for. And run the search. Now all the courses whose passing condition is 80 points will be filtered and showed on the spreadsheet. To set a new passing condition for all the filtered courses, we'll need to open the Bulk Edit tool. Once the Bulk Edit tool is open, select the rows that you want to edit. In this case will be the rows from my current search. The field to edit will be LP passing condition. Choose to set the value. Here you need to enter the minimum number of points the students must get in order to pass the course. In this case, we'll enter 60. Finally, execute and the passing condition of the selected courses will be changed. Bulk editing the passing condition of hundreds of your LearnPress courses is really easy with WP Sheet Editor, as you just need to follow a few simple steps to do it. Remember that you will find the link to download this plugin in the video description, as well as the link to review our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.